welcome everyone. Two boats taking a beating in one of the most powerful Mediterranean cyclones ever recorded, Medicane Sorbas. Ketchikan, Alaska is one of the busiest cruise ship ports in North America. Days like this are not good for business.
Our line just broke? Yeah. I'll go grab.
Someone on at least one of these barges had a very interesting conversation with their employer the next morning. This is what happens when a strong current grabs the bow of a vessel and swings it sideways faster than the helmsman can react. When you handle over 400 million tons of cargo annually, bridge strikes happen more often than port authorities would like to admit. At the Bosphorus Strait in Istanbul, this tanker hit a 19th century Ottoman mansion.
You guys have to send to this video. I hope there's nobody in the house.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
The dock was stationary, just to be clear, completely stationary.
Oh, no way. Oh my gosh, the ferry just crashed into Ocean Beauty. Oh, jeez.
Man, we about to wreck. We about to wreck, literally. Literally, the boat just...
The captain of the other vessel had a brief but educational experience in physics.
Dude, what the? Holy look at this. Bro. What the?
I mean, she is in the water, so that part's fine, but everything else is a different story.
Nei, faen, jeg ser på meg rett oppi. Nei, ring politi med en gang. Å, helvete.
Ship groundings account for the second highest category of total maritime losses globally, after foundering. Ferries are built to handle heavy weather, but every vessel has limits. Thankfully, everyone's okay. crashed in 2023 after the captain fell asleep at the helm. Luckily, everyone's all right. A regular check goes south quickly. Now, this is embarrassing. This sailboat entered a negotiation it was not equipped to win. When your own fleet starts hitting itself, the incident report's gonna be quite controversial. Nothing is worse than maritime anger issues. Spectacular, it's dangerous, and it's the last thing you need on a beautiful day like this. Wow, someone forgot how brakes work. Failure feels like from the inside.
Vedi come flisci già anche in italiano.
I mean, A+ for effort, but F for skill. When you can see it coming, but can't do anything about it.
Now he's going to go into the Pershing. Oh yeah. That idiot should not be in the river. Oh, that one in the Pershing.
Well, that was one expensive miscalculation. His turn, and this accident led to a dip full-time equivalent of driving through a stop sign. The worst ship launch you'll ever see. Luckily, no one was hurt. Yeah, bit too much adrenaline for me. The sea doesn't care about you or your dry clothes. Very narrowly missed the nut shot.
Эй, 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 садись!
This one was way too close. The best boat parking video you'll see in a while.